There's a sticky hand stuck to the ceiling, and this is entertainment for little ones. What's up there, babe?
Mommy.
What's up there? What, is it going to come down? Is it going to come down, babe? You going to catch it? Don't take things from him, please. Yeah.
That's okay. I got more sticky hands than one.
Yeah? Is it yours?
Yeah.
Is yours up there? You threw it up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Think it's going to come down?
There's a wonderful my...
Baylor, does it need to come down?
I want it down now.
Needs to come down?
Mom,
Hmm.
can you please call Dad?
Why?
Because I want him to get that sticky hand.
Well, he just left for work.
What? I really want
Oh, here it comes, Mace. Look, babe. It's hanging on by its tail now. Is it going to come down? Is it working?
No.
Going to get it down with your truck, babe? Is it up there still? Yeah. There it is.
Mommy, I really want it to come down.
Yeah, it'll come down. It'll come down in just a minute.
Is that a video?
Mhm. What do you see, babe?
Come down, sticky hand. Come down, sticky hand. Look, it's going to drop.
It's still up there, huh?
Yeah. You want me to tickle your throat?
Careful, Mason. Mason, don't scream, please.
But I'm screaming.
No,
because I think
it's not going to help it come down. Can you get it down, babe? Can you get it down?
How about we get the ladder out?
I'm not strong enough to carry the ladder inside.
How about I am?
I don't know.
Well, come on, let's go and grab and get it.
No way.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I think I know what to do it.
I'm going to try to get it down, babe. Want to get up there? Whoa, it's pretty high. It's pretty high. You going to try to get up there? I don't think you're big enough. Get up there?
Mom. Mom.
What?
I think it's going to drop.
You think it's going to drop?
Yeah.
Don't, Mason, It's just going to have to come down all on its own.
I wish I could come down.
Yeah.
I guess it's too sticky for the wall.
Still up there? You want it to come down? I can't understand you with that binky in your mouth. What'd you say?
Don't worry, guys. Let me go over and get it. I think I'm strong enough.
I'm going to use the broom.
The broom it is then.
Be careful. I think you need to go over there if you're going to use the broom.
No.
Here, maybe I can help. Let's see. Oh! There it goes.
Yeah, I got it! No, Taylor, you're not going to get it.
Mason, that's not nice.
Ta-da.
Okay, so everyone, your sticky hand. It finally came down. There we go. Bye-bye.